tonight?
Visitors! Visitors from where?
Oh, you my daughter. Visitors from all over the place. I am talking about Dr. Park and his colleagues. They are here to impart their knowledge from their colleagues. And remember, my friend, I told you last week we were arguing and debating about HIV and AIDS. And then I told you, HIV and AIDS say now. The only thing that we have to do is to support the people living with the virus.
Yes.
Encourage them.
Yeah.
And tell them to eat healthy food. And good counseling. We shouldn't laugh at them, ladies and gentlemen. We shouldn't gossip about them, but we need to encourage them to live a healthy and positive lifestyle. Do you disagree with me?
No.
Say, am I right or am I right or am I right?